It is opening day at the Anacortes Boat and Yacht Show here at Cap Sante Marina at the Port of Anacortes. Anacortes has hosted boat shows in the past, but this year something different. For the first time, the Northwest Marine Trades Association, the Port of Anacortes, local marine businesses and marine businesses throughout the Puget Sound have partnered up to create a bigger show. There are old boats, new boats, big boats and smaller boats, and a huge tent full of marine equipment and other marine related businesses. Come check it out.